welcome to this video. Today we are going to make a simple and easy terrarium, but we are going to have a little twist. We are going to put inside these little clay mushrooms that we've made in the previous video to make it look more fairy-like and interesting. Let's get started. I am sure that most of you already know how to make a terrarium, but if you are a complete beginner, don't be afraid. There are just some patterns that we need to follow. For example, we always need a glass container to be able to see through our terrarium, a draining layer that is gravel or sand. Sometimes if you have, I don't have, a filtration layer that is carbon, then the soil, then some mulch, plants and decoration, and you are ready to go. So let's go ahead and assemble it. Let's put our draining layer, our gravel. The reason I am putting so much gravel is because I want to have a safe draining layer, but also a really flat surface where we can put our things. We are ready now to add our soil. A couple of days ago I uploaded a sort of making a terrarium, and I had some questions here on YouTube and in Instagram. Why didn't I put any soil? And this is because the specific moss that I've been planting in this terrarium was collected directly from rocks. Our little mushrooms will go in like this. I love this first piece so much that I don't even want to disturb it, so I will put it as it is. Here I also want to put some Terrarium. Terrarium is the easiest plant to root. You just cut some pieces and plant them, and that's it. And now the most satisfying thing in the terrarium making. Spraying. Carefully, without disturbing the plants, we wipe the glass. And here we are. It is ready and wonderful.